Hi students, this is Gobi Kannan. Exercise 3.2, question number 4. So, three matrices are given, then compute A plus B and B minus C. Also verify that A plus B minus C, which is equal to A plus B minus C. First we can compute A plus B. So, which is equal to the given matrix A is 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, plus the B matrix 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. So, which is equal to, so we have add two matrices, that is we have add the corresponding element. So, 1 plus 3, 2 minus 1 and minus 3 plus 2. Here the second row we can consider 5 plus 4, 0 plus 2, 2 plus 5. Next 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 0, 1 plus 3. The sum value is A plus B, which is equal to 4, 2 minus 1, 1, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1, 5 plus 4, 9, and 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 1 plus 2, 3, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4. You can consider this is 1. Next we can find B minus C. B minus C, which is equal to the B matrix 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3, and C matrix minus 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, 3. You can multiply minus 1 inside the matrix, the C matrix, and solve the value. So we have written the B matrix again 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, and 2, 0, 3. You can multiply minus 1 inside the matrix, we get the sign should be changed plus, because minus 1 get inside. So minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and minus plus 2, and minus 3. Now we have directly add, don't consider the sign. So we get 3 minus 4, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Next 2 minus 2, 0, 4 plus 0, 4, 2 minus 3, minus 1, 5 minus 2, that is 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 3 minus 3, 0. So this is B minus C. Consider this is 2. Now verify A plus B minus C, which is equal to A plus B minus C. The given A matrix 1, 2, minus 3, and 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, plus the B minus C, that is from 2. The from 2 is minus 1, minus 2, 0, and 4, minus 1, 3, 1, 2, 0. So this is left hand side A plus B minus C, which is equal to. So we have add the two matrices, the corresponding element should be 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, minus 3 plus 0, 5 plus 4, 0, minus 1, 2 plus 3, 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 0. So the left hand side value is A plus B minus C, which is equal to, we get 1 minus 1, that is 0, 2 minus 2 also 0, minus 3 plus 0, minus 3, 5 plus 4, 9, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, and third row 1 plus 1, 2, minus 1 plus 2, 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, next we can find the right hand side, that is A plus B minus C, which is equal to A plus B. From 1 you can using the 1, that matrix is 4, 1, minus 1, 9, 2, 7, and 3, minus 1, 4. Next minus the C matrix. C matrix is 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, 3. So we have directly subtract the corresponding element, or we have multiple inside the minus 1, then you can proceed. Okay, so that is 4, 1, minus 1, 9, 2, 7, 3, minus 1, 4. Next multiple minus 1 inside, the sign should be plus changed. So that is minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 3, minus 2, here minus 1, plus 2, and minus 3. So we have add the two matrices. So 4 minus 4 we get 0, and 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 2 we get minus 3, 9 plus 0 9, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 7 minus 2 5, 3 minus 1 2, minus 1 plus 2 1, 4 minus 3 1. So this is right hand side, A plus B minus C. So this is consider, this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. From 3 and 4, from 3 and 4 you can verify the result. The both right hand sides are equal, therefore the left hand side A plus B minus C, which is equal to A plus B minus C, hence the result. The next problem, fifth sum, given A matrix and B matrix, then compute 3A minus 5B. So 3 into the A matrix minus 5 into B matrix. Now multiple inside by 3 we get, so 3 cancel and 2. 3 ones are 3, and 3 into 5 by 3 we get 5. 3 into 1 by 3 1. 3 into 2 by 3 we get 2. 3 into 4 by 3 we get 4. 3 into 7 by 3 7. 3 into 2 6. 3 into 2 by 3 we get 2. Next we can multiple minus 5 inside in each element. Okay, the sign should be changed plus, because we have multiply minus 5 inside. Okay, so we have multiply minus 5, each denominator have minus 5 should be cancelled. So minus 2, here minus 3, minus 5 into 1 minus 5, here minus 1, and minus 2, minus 4, minus 7, minus 6, minus 2. Now add the two matrix, the corresponding element should be added. So here 2 and this is minus 2, 3 minus 3, 5, the corresponding element is minus 5, 1, the corresponding element is minus 1, 2, the corresponding element minus 2, 4, the corresponding element minus 4, 7, the corresponding element minus 7, 6, minus 6, 2, and here minus 2. So we get the sum values, the both values are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0, 0. So we get null matrix, that is 0 matrix. So 3A minus 5B, which is equal to 0 matrix. The next question 6. Simplify the given matrix. So first we can do this cos theta, that is solution, cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta and cos theta plus sin theta into this matrix, that is sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta. So we can multiply inside, in each term multiply by cos theta. We get cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. We have write on below the matrix. So we get cos square theta into cos theta sin theta. Here minus into plus, minus sin theta cos theta, and here cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, and plus sin theta multiply in each term. So plus here sin square theta and multiply minus into plus, minus cos theta sin theta, here sin theta cos theta, and sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Now I have see that I have add the matrices, so that is very easy. So cos square theta, the corresponding element only have add. So cos square theta plus sin square theta, and here cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta, and this element, that is 2 1, second row first column element, that is minus sin theta cos theta. Here 2 1 element, second row first column element is plus sin theta cos theta, and cos square theta plus sin square theta. Next, we know that the trigonometry identity, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is equal to 1. We have applied, we get cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. The both are same, but sin should be changed, so this value is 0. Here also sin changed, so 0. Cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. This is an answer. Question number 7. Find x and y if the x plus y equal to the matrix and x minus y equal to this matrix. The both matrices order is same. Okay, so now find the x and y value. I have using solving the equation method. Okay, so consider this equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now adding the equation 1 and 2, we get x value because the y sign is changed, so this should be cancelled. So adding 1 and 2, the equation 1 and 2, we get x plus y. In left hand side equation is plus x minus y, which is equal to, the right hand side matrix is 7 0 2 5, plus this matrix x minus y matrix is 3 0 0 3. We get the y should be cancelled, so here 7 plus 3 10, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 2, 5 plus 3 8. This is the value of 2x, which is equal to 10 0 2 8. You need x matrix, x value. Okay, so which implies x equal to, the 2 get this side, you have shift the right side, 1 by 2 into 10 0 2 8. The 1 by 2 multiply inside, we get 10 into 1 by 2, we get 5, 0 into anything 0, 2 into 1 by 2, we get 1, 8 into 1 by 2, we get 4. This is an Ax matrix. Next we can find y matrix. We have using equation 1 and 2, anything. I have substitute the x value. Okay, so I consider equation 1, that is x plus y, which is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. We need y value. So we shift the x value in right side. We get y which is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5 minus the y value is the minus x. Now y equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. Now substitute the matrix x. X matrix is 5, 0, 1, 4. Now subtract the values. Before one step, you have multiply minus 1 inside. That is very easy. You can avoid the sign mistakes. So that only I can using this method. 7, 0, 2, 5. Minus, you have multiply minus inside, so the sign should be changed plus sign. Minus 5, 0, minus 1, minus 4. Now you have directly adding the corresponding elements only, don't consider the signs. 7 minus 5, we get 2, and 0 plus 0, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 4, this is also 1. So this is an matrix Y. The next second subdivision, the equation is 2x plus 3y and 3x plus 2y. We have seen this, the two equations are different coefficients of x and y value. So we have equating x and y value. So consider this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. First I have cancelling the y value. So I have interchanging the values, that is multiply multiplying equation 3 by equation 3 with the next another equation coefficient is 2. So we have changed the value 2 into the equation 3, that is 2x plus 3y, which is equal to 2 into the corresponding matrix 2, 3, 4, 0. Here 2 into 2x, that is 4x plus 2 into 3, 6y, which is equal to, we get the matrix 4, 6, 8, 0. So consider this is equation 5. Next and multiply equation 4 with the coefficient 3. We get 3 into 3x plus 2y, which is equal to 3 into the matrix. The matrix is 2, minus 2, minus 1, 5. So we have multiply inside 3 into 3, 9x plus 6y, which is equal to 3 2s are 6, minus 6 and minus 3 and 15. So consider this is equation 6. Now solving equation 5 and 6. Solving the equation 5 and 6. 5 and 6, we have see this, the coefficients are same, but the sign also same. So we have separate the equation 5 and 6. We get 4x plus 6y minus we have take the bracket 9x plus 6y, which is equal to, that is the matrix is 4, 6, 8, 0, and minus 6 minus 6 minus 3, 15. So you have say this, the plus 6y and minus 6y should be cancelled, and we have sum of the coefficient x, 4 minus 9, that is minus 5x. Next we have add the matrix, the corresponding element should be add. 4 minus 6, that is minus 2, 6 plus 6, 12, and 8 plus 3, 11, 0 minus 15, we get minus 15. We need x value, so we get x which is equal to minus 5, shift on the right side, we get minus 1 by 5 into this matrix, that is minus 2, 12, 11 minus 15. So this is an x value. we have stopped this value, or we can multiply inside, we get x value. So anything you can do it. Next we can find y value. That is we have take this equation, third equation, that is from 3. The third equation is 2x plus 3y, which is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. We need y value, so we have shift 2x in the right hand side, 3y, which is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0 minus 2 into minus 2x. First we have write on minus 2x. Okay, now substitute the matrix. 2, 3, 4, 0 minus 2 into the matrix x is minus 1 by 5, minus 2, 12, 11, minus 15. Now multiply inside, we get 2, 3, 4, 0, minus into minus plus sign, 2 by 5. So minus 2, 12, 11, minus 15. Now multiply 2 by 5 in each element, we get 2, 3, 4, 0 and plus 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4 by 5, and 2 into 12, 24 by 5. Here 2 into 11, 22 by 5, and minus 2 into 15, minus 30 divided by 5. That is, this value should be cancelled. 5, 6 are 30. Okay, next 2, 3, 4, 0 plus here minus 4 by 5, 24 divided by 5, here 22 divided by 5, and here minus 6. Now add the values. Here left hand side are 3y is there. So 2 minus 4 by 5. Here 3 plus 24 divided by 5. 4 plus 22 divided by 5. 0 minus 6. The sum value. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 4 is 6 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 24, that is 39 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 22, that is 42 divided by 5. 0 minus 6, we get minus 6. This is the value of 3y. We need y value. So y matrix, which is equal to the 3 shift on the right side, we get 1 by 3 into 6 by 5, 39 divided by 5, that is 42 divided by 5 minus 6. We have multiply inside in 1 by 3, we get, so 3 2s are 6, that is 2 by 5, and we have multiplied 3, 1 by 3, so that is 13 divided by 5. Here here 14 divided by 5 and minus 2. So this is an y matrix. Okay, thank you.